What's the meaning of bunion? Bunion. Bunion.
Bunion. Bunion. A bunion is a bony bump that forms on the joint at the base of the big toe. It occurs when the big toe pushes against the adjacent toe, causing the joint to jut out and get bigger. This condition is caused by various factors such as genetics, wearing tight-fitting shoes, and foot injuries. Symptoms of a bunion include pain, swelling, redness, and difficulty moving the affected toe. In severe cases, surgery may be necessary to correct the deformity and relieve pain. Treatment options typically focus on pain management, footwear modification, and using orthotics to alleviate pressure on the affected area.